Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding emotional maturity. Refuse to be offended. When people ignore or are mean or rude to you, they're revealing themselves. They're telling you what's within themselves, not what's within you. How you treat those who mistreat you reveals your emotional and spiritual maturity. Emotional maturity often requires emotional independence, as emotional maturity is the ability to express your feelings without blaming or shaming others. Maturity comes not with age, but with the acceptance of responsibility. You are only young once, but immaturity can last a lifetime. So, to reach emotional maturity, learn to control your emotions and take full responsibility for your actions. Remember, the pain of growing up is not nearly as difficult as the pain of not growing up. Enjoy the day.